Hi, I am Nayeli Moreno, and I just graduated today from the Clifton Police Department. I grew up in Douglas, Arizona, and the reason I joined law enforcement was because of domestic violence and to help other women like me. I chose NPC because I heard so much good things about it, and my lieutenant and my chief were really set on this place. My favorite part about the class was meeting new people from everywhere. It was pretty awesome, and learning like how to shoot more and DT to protect yourself. It was pretty cool. I would say that law enforcement is awesome to be in and to join, especially if you have a family. I'm doing it for my daughter, actually. I want her to be proud of me and to look up to me as well. Toughest was honestly being the only girl. I kind of was scared at first, but then meeting them and how they were, it was awesome. Don't be scared if you are the only girl. I think it's really awesome, and you'll enjoy it and you'll love it. And being a woman in law enforcement, we need many other women. A lot of women are scared to join, but I honestly think it's awesome and an awesome job to do. Especially others watching you, little girls, they will look up to you, and I think that's pretty cool. A shout out to Director Kruger, he was awesome, and RTO Santos, he helped a lot. Mackin was awesome too, he's very funny. Shout out to my classmates because they're awesome and they helped me a lot. They helped me in my shooting, my driving. I honestly wouldn't make it this far without their words of encouragement, for sure.